In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore a deleted post on WordPress.com. This tutorial is perfect for beginners, and I'll guide you through each step in a way that's clear and easy to follow. Let's dive in and get started on bringing your lost content back to life. To kick things off, you'll want to head over to your WordPress dashboard. If you're unfamiliar with how to access this, simply log into your WordPress.com account. Once you're logged in, you'll be redirected to the dashboard automatically. The dashboard serves as your site's main control panel, where you can manage all aspects of your WordPress site. Now take a look at the left-hand menu panel and locate the Posts section. Clicking on Posts will take you to an overview of all the content you have published. This panel is essentially a hub for all the entries or posts you have written in the past. It's your go-to for managing everything related to your website's content. Once you're in the Posts section, direct your gaze towards the top of the screen. Here, you'll see a label labeled All, with other options like Published, Drafts, and importantly, Trash. Click on the Trash link, which serves as a special folder for all posts that you've previously deleted. Think of it as a safety net, ensuring nothing is ever truly gone until you decide it is. In the Trash folder, you'll see a list of posts that you've removed. These can be endless drafts, or they might be fully formed posts you thought were deleted forever. Scroll through this list to find the post you want to restore. Once you locate the post you're looking for, move your cursor over it. You'll notice additional options appear beneath the title, including Restore. Click on the Restore option. It's as simple as that. This action will move your post from the trash right back to the Posts section, where it will be available as it was before deletion. The content, images, formatting, everything remains intact, just as you left it. By restoring the post, you haven't published it. It simply goes back into your drafts, or wherever it was previously stored. And there you go. Restoring a deleted post is a quick and painless process once you know what to do. It's a great way to recover work that might have been swept away by accident. This ensures you never lose great content due to a simple mistake. Remember, exploring and familiarizing yourself with the WordPress dashboard will help you manage your site more effectively. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful for